Hello gang guys, here is Andrew with you. Today we are drawing Cyclops. As you can see, I'm starting from scratch, drawing some basic lines to know where to start or where to go and how to end it. We're going to answer a couple of questions I got here, but let's talk first about Cyclops. Cyclops is one of the most favorite characters for me from the X-Men arsenal. Um, I like him being the chivalry knight of the group, the furious leader, always thinking about others and himself, kind of opposites of Wolverine, couple of things. Uh, there's a lot of things I like in this guy and in his concepts of ideas. Uh, we are going to answer a couple of questions I got. I got them from comic book artists who want to start in the business. So here's our first question: how to draw comic books? Those are two skills, as I said before in a video I posted on YouTube and on my account on Facebook. I told about those are two skills, not a single skill. Uh, Comic books are a very complicated process. It's about how you can be an actor and director and cameraman and fashion designer and mix all those things in a page, in a panel. You have to give or describe what's happening right now, what's happening in this scene to the audience, to the reader. The reader doesn't have to read the bubbles to understand what's going on in the panel. The words support the art, doesn't make the art. I remember reading a comic book about Titanos fighting Avengers, Doctor Strange, Spider-Man, Miss Marvel, She-Hulk, Nova, and other Wolverine, other characters. Uh, Titanos was telling a story in the drawings, while the lettering, the words are telling another different story. So, what are you going? Which story are you going to believe? Of course, you are going to believe what's happening in the pictures. It's like the movies. If you are seeing a scene where an actor is telling another thing, the scene is telling that he is killing another character with shooting him in with pistol or something like that, while he is telling he didn't do it, or he found another one who did it. Of course, you are going to believe what's happening by your eyes, not listening to what he's saying by your ears, because you always believe what's happening in front of you with your eyes. How to make comics step by step? This is a very long question, but I'm going to make it a bit easier. We are going to make first layouts. After the layouts, we start making basic pencils. After that, we start rendering them. After that, making the inks. Then making flat coloring. After that, making colors. Then exporting them by if it's going to be a web comic, it's going to be RGB, or CMYK if it's going to be printed. Uh, for Middle East, it's going to be CMYK. For Western comics, they printers doesn't work this way. Uh, how to get into drawing comics? Well, at first you're going to have to know how to draw uh, figures, how to draw cars, how to draw buildings, how to draw everything around you, then translate them into an illustration to help the others understand and help the others get what you are thinking of in this scene. It's like mixing your left brain side with the right one. Your left brain side is actually the one responsible for logic, math, and facts, the mathematics, the science, the knowing, the knowledge, uh, the reality. While the right brain side is talking about the feelings, the image, the symbols, the future, philosophy, the religion, beliefs, fantasy. You have to be able to connect those sides and use them as a weapon, a double-edged weapon for your comic. An artist who knows, any artist who knows to use them, starting from concept artist, comics artist, illustrator, painter, anything, uh, anything to art, anything about art. If you know how to use those both sides, you are going to be an amazing artist. How to know to use them, it's going to be very selective about reading books and using your imagination, trying to meditate, trying to understand the world around you, trying to build your own idea about everything. You can do that by being so picky about the movies you see, the books you read. Stop watching TV and stop watching other not not so not helpful shows that always direct your minds to stupidity and being an idiot. Um, I will be more. I will show more about this in the future. So in future videos, how to get started into comics. I already answered that, but to get started, must know how to draw. After that, you must build a strong portfolio showing how to draw uh, hands and feet. Yeah, hands and feet. Editors always look at those. Um those are the body signs, the body language an artist uses to express the feelings of any character, like pointing at something or stopping something from happening or catching something, pushing other, holding objects, anything like that. After that comes the head. After that comes the body. Believe it or not. Uh, a couple editors told me that they always look to the hands and the feet to know that you are going to be able to give or express a feeling to the reader. How to make money drawing comics? Yeah, you can make money drawing comics. For beginners, it's about $30 for a page. After that, you can reach about $200 for a whole pencil page, finished pencil single page for $200. I know an artist that makes $350. Um he makes it from penciling only. Um, about make about 300 or 200 to make inks, and 150 maybe or to make colors, and don't know about the lettering for now. I will tell you in the next video. So you can make a lot of money making comics. As a writer, I don't know exactly. Maybe there's writers here on YouTube that can help you with this, but I don't know right now. Um, yeah, and for Rockstar, they call them Rockstar artists. Rockstar artists make about $1,000 per page. We're talking about Joe Madureira, Jim Lee, those superstars of the industry. So thanks for watching my video.